let us plot the graph of tan x. So we will take the different values of x and find the corresponding values of tan x. So let us suppose that y is equal to tan x. Now let me take x equal to 0 degree, then y is equal to tan 0, and this is equal to 0. When x is 30 degree, y is equal to tan 30, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. If I rationalize it and simplify it, I will get it to be equal to 0.58. So x is 0, then it is 0, 30, then it is 0.58. Now x is 60 degree, then y is equal to tan 60, which is root 3, and this is equal to 1.73. When x is 90, we know that it is infinity. So if I take value of x which is very close to 90 but less than 90, then it is going to be positive infinity. Why? Because see, we know that in the first quadrant all are positive, in the second sine is positive, cos is negative, in the third quadrant all are negative, I mean sine and cos are negative, in the fourth quadrant my sine is negative, cos is positive. So all are positive. Here sine is positive, cos is negative. Here sine and cos both are negative, therefore tan would be positive. Here sine is negative, cos is positive, so my tan would be negative. Tan is negative in the second and in the fourth quadrant. So when x is very close to 90 but less than 90, then it is going to be 90 degree minus something, so it is going to be positive infinity. When x is close to 90 but 90 से greater है, यानी कि it would lie in the second quadrant, so my y would be tend to negative infinity. So this is you have to take care. That is why I have written in the table the values not equal to 90 but very close to 90 and less than 90, greater than 90. Then when x is 120 degree, then my y is tan 120, and this I can write as 180 minus 60 degree, and this is minus tan 60. It is in the second quadrant. So this is equal to tan 60, and tan 60 we know it's minus 1.73 therefore. So when x is equal to 150, then y is equal to tan 150, tan 180 minus 30, so tan 30 but with the negative sign. When x is 180, then y is equal to tan 180 degree, and tan 180 degree I can write as 180 minus 0 degree, and tan 0 is 0. Then when x is 210, my y is 210, tan 210, and this I can write as tan 180 plus 30. It is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant my sine and cos are negative, therefore tan is positive. So tan 30. So tan 30 is 0.58. X is 240. Y is tan 240, tan 180 plus 60. So tan 60. Tan 60 is 1.73. X is 270. When x is 270, y would be, see here, tan 270, and this I can write as tan 180 plus 90, and that would be tan 90, and it is infinity. Now therefore when x is less than 270 degree but very close to 270, my y would tend to be positive infinity. And when x is very close to 270 but greater than 270, it would be negative. Why? Because that would lie in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant my tan is negative, right? So you have to be careful here. So y is, now when x is 300, y is tan 300, 360 minus 60, and it is tan 60. In the fourth quadrant, the value lies in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant it is negative, so negative sign, and tan 60 is minus 1.73. Then tan 330 I have to find when x is equal to 330, so it is tan 360 minus 30, so minus tan 30, this is minus 0.58, and tan 360 I can write as 360 minus 0 degree, so tan 0, so that is 0. So I have calculated all the values of y for the x, which is the different angles, right? So let us plot the graph keeping these values for tan. So here I have the x dash, x axis horizontal line, y dash. Along the x axis I have taken the angles, along the y I have taken the values for y, that is tan x, the magnitude. So let me plot it. So here when x is 0, y is 0. When x is 30 degree, it is 0.58, very close to 6 you can say. When x is 60 degree, it is 1.73. And when x is less than 90, it is positive. So this will, right? Because at 90 it is infinity. When x is greater than 90, it is negative infinity. When x is 120, it is minus 1.73. And when x is 150, it is minus 0.58. When x is 180, it is 0. So this graph would move like this. It is not touching at 90. When x is 210, it is 0.58. 0.58. When x is 240, it is 1.73. When x is 270, it is positive infinity. So I am getting this curve. See. When x is 300, it is minus 1.73. Minus 1.7. and at 270 greater it is minus infinity, right? It would not touch. At 330 it is minus 0.58 and 360 it is 0. So you get these type of graph when x lies between 0 degree to 360 degree. So